can't think of anything that would have sprayed oil inside from the engine or anything, so I'm guessing there was just some oil spilled or something. Maybe he had some rubbish bags or something with oil in it. But it seems to be like clean oil. Look at this. Smells like, I don't know, just smells like oil, I guess, engine oil, but not used. So I have to take all the carpets out, I think, water blast them, see if I grab a steam cleaner or something from somewhere. And that driver's side's pretty worn out, but this car's got like 300,000 kilometres, so to be expected. Don't think there's any other surprises. Like all that's not dripping, so it must just be oil from something they've spilled. Alright, well that's my first, I guess, preliminary clean of the interior. It should come up alright with a steam cleaner or something. Oh yeah, so see, it's not too bad. Obviously it's got a lot of miles, like the steering wheel is sort of lost its cover there. The carpet's probably the worst with the oil or whatever that's in it. It needs to be cleaned out. But everything was all pretty good other than being filthy. I just want to replace this. I think there's a little bracket or something missing out of there as well. Cover for the door there. Must be a bracket missing, eh? Probably bolts on there, and then onto that. That lock there was kind of stiff. So you can see it might just be leaking out of there, maybe. I topped it up last night or yesterday when we were driving it, so it looks like the pump itself is probably alright. There was engine in it, oil in it when I bought it. It smells like just engine oil, so it's probably alright. Big snorkel. So everything looks pretty good, other than the paint, and the interior is pretty dirty. That air filter's not doing much. Imagine having that go down your throttle body, eh? Why is that not sealing? Anyway, what else was not working? The wiper washer on the front might just be empty. It's coolant in there. Brakes were good. The fans were working. It's got air conditioning apparently, but I didn't try it, so I don't know how well that works. So, a little bit of a job. Might go to the wreckers and see what parts I can get. New steering wheel will be nice. I wonder if the other one's off a Sentra or something, because these were sold as a whole bunch of different cars apparently. I haven't really caught up to the information behind them, but it looks like the old these were sold as Sentras and even Subarus, so I might yeah, thought about polishing it, but you see the clear coat is here and then it's gone, totally gone on the roof, so polishing it's not going to do too much. A little bit of rust coming through there. Probably got it just in time to sort it out. So maybe this will get painted